Hi guys, in this video we're going to discuss properties of operations on the set of integers. This is part 1 of this lesson. Of course, we have our objectives. Number 1, illustrate the different properties of operations on the set of integers. Okay, these are the properties. We have closure, commutative, associative, distributive, identity, and inverse property. And number 2, identify the properties of operations on the set of integers used in the given statement. Alright. Okay, before going further, let us first recall our learnings about operations on integers by answering these problems. Okay, so number 1, this is addition of integers. Okay, both integers are positive, so we can add directly the numbers. So 12 plus 15, that is 27. Then, number 2, negative 21 plus negative 13. Okay, both numbers are negative. So, if you could still remember the rule of addition of integers, applying rule number 1, we will just add the number directly and then copy the sign. So, negative 21 plus negative 13, that is equal to negative 34. Then, number 3, 14 plus negative 7. Okay, the two integers have different sign. So, let us apply rule number 2 in addition of integers. Okay, different sign. We will do the subtraction. So, 14 plus negative 7, that is positive 7. Okay, positive, it's because the sign with the greater or the greatest absolute value is positive, which is 14. The number 4, negative 16 plus 9. Okay, the two integers have different sign. Okay, same with number 3. We will do the subtraction. So, negative 16 plus positive 9, that is equal to negative 7. So, negative, it's because the sign with the greatest absolute value is negative, which is 16. Alright? And next, number 5. This is subtraction of integers. So, 26 minus 13. So, since the minuend is bigger compared to the subtrahend, we can do the subtraction right away. So, 26 minus 13, that is positive 13. Then, number 6, negative 25 minus negative 11. Okay, so both integers are negative. So, let us apply the rule of subtraction for integers. Okay, so if you could still remember the 3 letters, which is KCC. K stands for keep the first integer. Then, the first C is change the subtraction into addition. Then, the second C is change the sign of the subtrahend. So, this will become addition and this will become positive. So, imagine na natin. So, negative 25 plus positive 11. That is equal to negative 14. Then, number 7, 36 minus negative 20. Alright? Let us do the same. Change this one into addition and change this one into positive. So, this will become 36 plus positive 20. That is equal to positive 56. Then, number 8, this is multiplication of integers. Okay? So, both integers are positive. So, applying rule number 1, when multiplying the same sign, the result or the product is positive. So, 13 times 5, that is positive 65. Then, for number 9, negative 8 times negative 6. So, both integers have the same sign. Okay, still, rule number 1, the product of these two integers is positive. So, negative 8 times negative 6, that is equal to positive 48. Number 10, 12 times negative 7. So, the two integers have different sign. Okay, So let us apply the second rule of multiplication of integers. When multiplying different sign, the product is negative. Okay, so 12 times negative 7, that is equal to negative 84. Alright? Then, so this is division of integers. Number 11, 10 divided by 2. So both integers are positive. Okay, try to recall the rule for the division of integers. This is rule number 1. Dividing the same sign, that is the quotient is positive. So 10 divided by 2, that is positive 5. Then, number 12, negative 18 divided by negative 3. So, both integers are negative. This is still rule number 1 for the division of integer. So, negative 18 divided by negative 3. The quotient is positive 6. Alright? Number 13, negative 42 divided by positive 7. So, applying number 2 rules for the addition of integers. When dividing different sign, the quotient is negative. So, negative 42 divided by positive 7, the result is negative 6. So, I hope guys that your learnings with regards to operation of integers were able to refresh. Okay? So, pag-usapan naman natin yung properties of operations on the set of integers. Alright? So, number 1, we have what we call closure property. So, ano bang ibig sabihin ng closure property? Alright. So, it is stated here, two integers that are added and multiplied remain as integers. The set of integers is closed under addition and multiplication. So guys, klarong-klaro po dito na this property is only applicable to addition and multiplication. Okay? Para lalo nating maintindihan, okay, tingnan po natin ang pattern na ito. So, ito po yung ibig sabihin ng statement na ito. Okay? So, this is for addition, A plus B, where A and B represent an integers. Okay? Tawag po natin dito is closure property of addition. And now, for multiplication, so, ito rin yung pattern. A times B, okay, tatawagin natin itong closure property of multiplication. Again, these two letters A and B, it represent an integers. Alright? So, halimbawa, for closure property of addition, okay, example, we have 15 plus 16 is equal to 31. So, ito yung pattern na sinusunod natin. Yung A natin, that is 15. Yung B is 16. Alright, napakasimple po. Okay, again, this is closure property of addition. Then, for closure property of multiplication, okay, example, okay, 26 times 12, that is equal to 312. Alright? So, ito po yung pattern na sinusunod natin. So, yung A natin is 26, yung B is 12. Alright? So, napakasimple po. Kailangan lang po nating i-memorize ang pattern na ito. Okay, this is all about closure property of addition and closure property of multiplication. So, itong dalawang ito is tinatawag nating closure property. Alright? So, number 2, we have what we call commutative property. So, ano bang ibig sabihin ng commutative property? Okay. So, changing the order of two numbers that are either being added or multiplied does not change the value. Alright? So, it's very clear here. No, may dalawang operation po tayo ditong involved, and that is addition and multiplication. Ibig sabihin guys, ang property na ito is only applicable for addition and multiplication. So, hindi po natin pwede i-apply ito sa subtraction at saka sa division. Okay. So, tingnan po natin yung pattern. Okay. So, this is for addition. Okay. A plus B is equal to B plus A. So, ito po yung ibig sabihin ng statement na ito for addition. Okay. The order of two numbers that are either being added or multiplied does not change the value. Okay. Changing. So, meaning, the order of these two numbers. So, pagdating dito, kung ibahin natin, yung value, hindi magbabago. Alright? So, for multiplication, we have A times B is equal to B times A. So, ganito po yung pagbabasa nito. Okay? Kung wala kayong makikita na operation, it is simply understood that the operation is multiplication. Alright? And again, these two letters represent an integers. Alright. So, example. Sa addition, A plus B is equal to B plus A. So, ito yung pattern na dapat nating i-memorize. Okay? Examples, guys. So, we have 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. So, yung value ng A natin, ito yung integer na ini-represent niya. Yung B naman is 3. Okay? So, sa kanan po, we change the order. Tingnan natin kung hindi parehas ba yung value. Kung iniba natin yung position ng mga numero. Alright? So, if we add 2 plus 3, that is 5. Okay? Sa kanan naman, if we add 3 plus 2, that is still equal to 5. So, meaning, both sides are equal. So, even though we change the position or the order of the two numbers. Okay? So, equal pa rin yung value. Right? Number 2, negative 16 plus negative 5. So, both integers are negative. So, pagdating dito sa kanan, we change the order of the numbers. Okay? Baliktad natin. So, let us check if both sides are equal. Okay? So, negative 16 plus negative 5. So, let us apply the rule of integers number 1. Okay? That is, adding same sign. Just get the sum or do the addition and copy the sign. So, negative 16 plus negative 5, that is equal to negative 21. Okay? Sa kanan naman, you have negative 5 plus negative 16. Okay, that is still negative 21. So, both sides are equal. Hindi nagbabago yung resulta. Okay. So, again, this is what we call commutative property. It's all about addition. Alright? Next, punta tayo sa multiplication. So, we have A times B is equal to B times A. Okay? Examples. So, 2 times 3 is equal to 3 times 2. Okay? So, yung A natin dito is 2. Yung B natin is 3. Alright? So, tingnan po natin both sides if the result are the same. Okay? 2 times 3, that is 6. Then, dito naman, 3 times 2, that is 6. So, both sides are equal. So, applicable po siya sa multiplication. Okay? So, then, next example, we have negative 4 times negative 15. Alright? So, yung A natin dito is negative 4. Yung B natin is negative 15. Alright? So, tingnan natin, if we change the position of the two numbers, kung equal ba yung result. Okay? So, negative 4 times negative 15. Okay, applying multiplication rule of integers, rule number 1, multiplying the same sign, the product is positive. Okay, so, yung product is positive 60. No, tingnan natin sa kanan. So, negative 15 times negative 4 still equal to positive 16. So, both sides are equal. Alright? So, again, tatawagin natin itong commutative property for multiplication. Alright, guys? So, thank you so much for watching, guys. This is end of part 1. At para mapanood ninyo yung part 2, just click the link below. Alright? So, see me in the next video and happy learning!